बने रहने के लिए moving on to some other news coming in. The Delhi High Court declined to grant urgent hearing in a public interest litigation petition seeking preventive, regulatory and crowd control measures in relation to the protest being organized by the Cockroach Jantar Party in Delhi on June 6. That is tomorrow. The plea filed by NGO Save India Foundation was mentioned for urgent hearing before a vacation bench of Justices Saurav Banerjee as well as Amit Sharma. However, the court refused to list the matter for hearing on an urgent basis. The CJP was started by Abhijit Deepke, a resident of Boston, USA. It uses political satire to comment on issues such as unemployment, institutional accountability and media freedom. It has called for a gathering at Jantar Mantar on June 6 to protest the questions paper leaks associated with NEET exam and controversies surrounding the CBSE board exam as well. Now joining me on the telecast, Samba will join us shortly, but meanwhile obviously we have seen since Cockroach Jantar Party has been formed, we have seen several in terms of these PILs, they have been listed as well. But tomorrow it's a big day for CJP. There will be a protest at Jantar Mantar which will take place, and especially when they are talking about several issues that they have raised. First of all, they have raised the issue of NEET paper leaks. They have also raised the issues of the controversies that are surrounding CBSE and the OSM. Now what we have seen is a PIL that was formed, a PIL that was issued has been declined for urgent hearing. This has been, this was set to be heard for urgent hearing, but the court now has refused. The vacation bench has now refused to hear the bench on an urgent basis. Meanwhile, Abhijit Deepke, who is set to return to India, who is the founder of CJP, will obviously be protesting tomorrow. So major and it's highly anticipated what exactly will happen tomorrow. We have seen they have also had their first presser that was held. Those visuals on your screens are of the first presser that they had. Now joining me on the telecast is Sambhav Sharma. Sambhav, what we're seeing is Cockroach Jantar Party has got quite the buzz in terms of all the developments that are taking place. Now a PIL that has been issued by an NGO has been dismissed for a court has refused to list the matter for an urgent basis as well.
Well, absolutely. The matter was before the vacation Delhi High Court, and the Delhi High Court has refused for the urgent hearing on this particular petition, which was filed in the Delhi High Court seeking curbs and crowd control measures for the Cockroach Jantar Party protest, which is slated for tomorrow in the national capital. NGO Save India Foundation has sought preventive and regulatory directions ahead of this particular protest planned in Delhi for tomorrow, that is June 6th. But the vacation bench of the Delhi High Court has declined the request for the urgent hearing, what is the latest development when it comes to the Cockroach Party. And this was a petition, a PIL filed in the Delhi High Court, and now there is no relief given to the petitioner from the Delhi High Court as the High Court refused urgent listing. Remember, earlier also the petition was filed in the Delhi High Court regarding why the X account of Cockroach Jantar Party was, came into scanner, and also why X account was suspended, to which Government of India has put forth its stand. Solicitor General was present in the Delhi High Court in the previous hearing and said there could be a threat to national security. And now this particular protest by Cockroach Jantar Party is slated tomorrow in the national capital. It is to be seen what happens next. But as now from Delhi High Court, there is no relief to Cockroach Jantar Party as this particular petition seeking curbs and crowd control measures for CJP protest, the Delhi High Court has refused to hear the particular.
All right, Sambhav, thank you so much for joining me on the telecast and obviously for sharing those inputs. But for now, that's a wrap for a bulletin. We'll step into a short break.